Hey everybody, how you doing? Kelly's Truck Talk today. I'm talking about stuff that is happening right now in the real estate business. I'm still working, I'm still busy. I gotta do it while I'm driving down the road. I'm gonna talk about another strategic alliance that is really good to have. An electrician. Somebody that is a good electrician, they're licensed in the capacity where they can pull their own permits and stuff like that. Every area is different, and I know there's different building code stuff going on in all parts of North America and everything. But building code, one thing I know in my area especially, and I think this is true for a lot of areas, is the code, building code for electric stuff has been changing and kind of morphing over the years. And so when you start to sell 20, 30-year-old, 40-year-old, 50-year-old homes, even 10-year-old stuff, there's some differences. And so when you have a home inspection done, just about every time, in my case anyway, something comes up that has to do with the electrical. And it's a lot of times very simple things, but it's really important to have an electrician in your back pocket. Get them to run through the house real quick, and then they can give some quotes on the fix. Because sometimes the fix can be $200, sometimes it's $500, sometimes it's $7,000 or $8,000 to fix a challenge that it comes up in a home inspection. So anyway, having an electrician in your back pocket, really important, and someone you trust that's not just trying to, make up stuff to get business. Someone that is actually, is honest and forthright and is a solution provider. All right, man, that's it for today.